That's basically about the Canva invitation on how to use Canva as well. So once you receive this invitation, this is the email you receive from Lucas Erkana. And once you have this, then you click accept. Okay, so once in here, you will just continue with Google, or you can click sign up with email. For now, let's just quickly, because we want it to be fast, let's just quickly use continue with Google. So we're going to continue with Google, and the email that is already signed up. So in this situation, it will be your email, but for demonstration purposes, this is the email that I'm going to be using. It's erkanalucas@gmail.com. Okay, so I'll click on that. Okay, it's gonna take a while. Please be patient. Now you can also download the app for your computer. I'm not gonna show that in this video. I'll probably send you a link to how you can download it. Okay, so once you have been invited, you've accepted, and you have signed up, create premium content. Okay, let's just close this at the moment. So now you are in here. You've already been invited. So now you can create a new application. You can do whatever, anything. Let's say, for instance, you want to create a logo, for instance. So you just click on that. Now you can actually do it in the browser, but of course in the browser it's going to be a bit slow. So I would suggest you do it on the application, which you can download from Microsoft Store, and then you can just log in with browser there. Canva, continue with Canva. That is Erkana Lucas. You see there now open, so you can always open in the browser. In the application. Okay, don't worry about this. When these things pop up, you just click the close button at the top. Choose where you want to open your design. It doesn't matter. You can just continue. Let's say, for instance, you want to create a logo, so we're going to click create logo. You can see on the computer it's much faster than it is on the desktop. Okay, you can take the tour, of course. I'm gonna skip it because I already know how to use this application. Always try to use the designs. Or if you don't like the designs, you can upload a photo that you want to use. You can go to elements. You can add elements in here. Let's say, for instance, you want something like this. You can go to design. I can go to design. I can see a logo there, and once you have the logo, you can modify it. Maybe say Lucas Designs, okay, and something like that. Fine dining or Lucas Foods, for instance. You can do that. You can add elements to this if you want. Something like this, somewhere there. You can do anything you want. Okay, and another thing that you can actually do is also add animations. So you can animate it so that it flies in like this and all those things. And let's say you want the JPEG file, you can just go to share and then download. Then when you want to download, you can download a JPEG file, um, or you can make a transparent background. You can also make a video if you want, or you can make a GIF file. Okay, so let's say there it is. Go to pictures, and then we save it back there. Okay, so now I can show this in the folder. You can see this is the logo without a background. Okay, So you can do something like that. You can do all sorts of things. If you want to create a flyer, you can just click the plus sign up there. You can do all sorts of things, posters, photo. If you want, you can just poster, for instance. You can search for poster, or you can search for poster up here. Poster, and have a double sized, or you can have a portrait, depending on what you want. You can landscape. You can. There are so many options. Okay, and the one feature that I love the most is the fact that you can remove the background. You don't get this feature for the unpaid version. Let's say, what if we had, let's try to upload a photo. Let's see if we can upload a photo with a background. Yeah, let's try. Yeah, let's try this photo. Okay, if we try this photo, let's see. You see that the photo has a background at the back, and okay, so now it's there. So I just drag it in here. Now I click on this photo. I can go to edit photo, and then I can go background or BG remover. So it removes the background of the photo. You can see it's loading. You see that the background is gone, and this is the thing that I love about this app. And you can make it bigger if you like. Uh, just remove again. You can see how amazing it is. You can add animation. Uh, let's see. Okay, let's detach it from the background. Let's just add a nice animation. Something like, okay, let's try the scrapbook. Tectonic. Okay, I like this. Very nice. And okay, drift. Let's try drift. Okay, and then we can download as a GIF file. We have a GIF file here somewhere. There we go. This is also one thing that I love about this. You download it. Okay, this video is becoming too long now. Okay, okay, I just wanted to demonstrate as well that you can actually download this. Okay, it's gonna take a while. Let's see. Okay, so this is how you're going to download, and you can also share and invite. Okay, so let's say we download this under pictures, and then we save it. We go open it up. Now if I open this, you can see it's moving. It's a photo, but it's moving. It's a GIF file or GIF file. Okay, see how it's moving? Yeah, so this is what you can do with Canva. You can do flyers, you can do posters, you have even templates that you can actually find, template designs. And yeah, here you have your template designs, and you can actually design here as well. Also, you can also design web pages, birthday invitations. Anything you need is here on Canva. Okay, for more information, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. If there's anything that you want to learn how to do, just let me know, and then I'll make a video for it. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like there, hit the notification bell there for more videos on this. Thank you. Bye.